Hi, it's Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold, guaranteed, or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. The topic is Merry Christmas from me, Corey Chambers, and the LA Loft blog. If you see any properties that might be of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a information packet on the properties, on any loft, condo, or house, or we'll arrange for a private preview upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, then you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Seasons, greetings from downtown Los Angeles. And to the readers of the LA Loft blog, thank you for making this a very special year. I hope this is a season for you to remember, for you and your family, your loved ones and friends. Giving valuable information on this blog for nearly 10 years has been very rewarding. It's such a wonderful feeling to help thousands of people every day to find and live their American dream in the entertainment capital of the world. Take advantage of this year's gift. Click on this link on the LA Loft blog on this post. It's the upgraded downtown rental tour that's free after rebate. So we've never offered that before. People gladly pay $296 is a normal price. For those who like to give back, by the way, you can click on here or go to laloftour.com. That's www.laloftour.com and get all the details of that tour. Let's take a look at it here real quick, see if we could pull it up. LA Loft tour. We forgot Loft. Loft? Let's see if this works. A few things haven't worked in the past few days. I think it's from cyber attacks from Russia and North Korea and China. But that certainly worked very quickly. So go to laloftour.com and you'll see here's all the details about the tour. It's basically, it gives people a lot more help than they normally get and also get access to a lot more rentals near downtown Los Angeles. And it also includes a lot of places where people don't normally get to see. Usually people either get help from a real estate agent, and because there's a lot of places where you need a real estate agent to get you in. Like if you're renting a condo or a condo loft in downtown Los Angeles and some of the apartments, you have to have a real estate agent to get you in because they are listed with real estate agents, a lot of them. In fact, most of the best ones that have the highest satisfaction are condos or loft condos that are listed with real estate agents. And then there are the, regular apartments and other rentals that are listed, that are managed communities that have, a leasing office. They have a leasing office with managers and stuff like that, just like most normal rental apartments have. So, and they don't pay agents, so agents will not take you to those. So that's why the tour, it gives you a whole lot of extra help, and it also gives you help for both types. Places where you have to have a real estate agent to get you in because they're agent listings, and you're not going to see it without an agent. And then it also helps you with the places where they don't pay agents, so agents are simply not going to take you there. So that way you don't risk missing out on just the right place, because you go straight to see the places that are the best match for what you're looking for based on your criteria. So that's all about that tour. It's normally $296, and for this Christmas gift, we're giving it for free after the rebate. All right. And so for those who do like to give back, your feedback and your referrals are a much appreciated gift to us, and also a great gift for the amazing kids at Children's Hospital Los Angeles. So that's it. Happy holidays with very much love to you and yours, your family, your friends, your loved ones. I'm Corey Chambers. Merry Christmas from me and the LA Loft blog, and much joy to the world from Los Angeles. By the way, your referrals really help the kids. We're on a mission to raise $25,000 to help the extraordinary kids in need at Children's Hospital Los Angeles. And we do this by donating a portion of our income on every home that we sell. Help us to help Children's Hospital. Who do you know who's considering making a move that would benefit from the services we provide? Call me at 213-880-9910. And give us our contact information or have them contact me. You can also visit referralshelpkids.com. All right. Thanks again. As I mentioned earlier, any properties that you see that you like, a property information packet is available on any loft or condo or rental or any or a private preview is available upon request, or any house near downtown Los Angeles and so forth. Call 213-880-9910. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Again, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, and a very happy, prosperous New Year in 2020. Thanks again. Take care. Bye-bye.